डायविंगान खूप मुखार वचपा खातीर मेगन द अल्मेदा खूप कश्ट करता. ह्या खेळांत आपल्याक भरपूर मजा येता आनी खूप भुरगीं डायविंगान फुडें येवची अशें मेगनाक दिसता.
And I love this sport because you feel like you're a flying bird in the air and it gives me thrills to perform. The training has been hard for me because usually we train in Kampal swimming pool over here, but it's been renovated now, it's stopped for renovation, so we have to go to Ponda pool for practice. And the competition was tough, the competitors were well prepared, and I was really happy to be there this time because last time I missed the nationals due to an elbow fracture. So I was really determined to get something and get back onto the medal tally, and I enjoyed being there back again.
कोच P Narsimhaluनुय मेगनाची तुस्त केली.
Very sincerity of making of to do the things. Yes, I want to do it and I'll make it, and she will do. And she will tell to her father, Dad, I will go on holiday on Sunday. Even take the permission from the school. Wound up, and she comes morning from 9:30 to 12:30. She's the greatest nature of loving nature of individual sports. This will be the international, no doubt.
माया शानभागान आपली भावना व्यक्त केली.
The competition was very tough. At first I got nervous, but then I was determined I could do it. I got bronze medal on 3 meter. I would like to improve on my 1 meter. I want to get tougher dives on 1 meter and 3 meter and get better on both of them.
Bureau Report, Prudent.